Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast at the Piazza della Republica in Livorno. It's a big lot here. Looks like a bicycling event is about to happen. A little bit of an obstacle course ahead. Lots of pigeons and statues, really big statue up ahead. You can see many of the buildings in the town here. Buses coming by, lots of cyclists. As we approach the statue on this side, a little bit worn with time. You can see the art in the center here, some sort of horse maybe, or a pony, and lots of people. And the big man at the top. On this side, it looks like an art gallery, bars, restaurants all around. Maybe a fountain in the center. It's not active right now. Recording at the end of April 2025. See advertisements for Kinder, the chocolate. Buy Camparo Kinder, Joy of Moving. So that could be this event, sponsored by Kinder. This video is not, but the bus over here looks to be the colors of Kodak film long ago, and balconies with flowers up ahead. Another statue on the ground, and some cool lampposts with lights at the top. Coming up is a hotel. People setting up the course, it looks like. Get a cool 360 view of the area. Coming back to the side, see lots of cars going by. There's a police car, Polizia, and lots of people walking through. Pizza store on this side. You can see some of the streetways. It looks like Senegal being represented, the country of Senegal. And another pizza place. How many pizza places might be here? There's a big letter T over there, Bar Tabaci. And another street area. Lots of one-ways around here. I see the do not enter. And we're coming back for a final view of the statue up ahead. So it's a nice day in Livorno, recording towards the end of April 2025. Good weather, no rain. Happy to be here. Quick break from the cruise ship. Others posing for photos or taking photos of the statue. So fellow cruisers, or maybe some people just traveling. Another bus coming through here. It's a very active area. Looks like some shows being advertised. Inimitable Livorno Cinema Theaters. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Livorno.